Well, hello there, my most amazing artists. I hope that you all are doing well. And this week we are going to be doing something super fun. We are going to learn how to draw turkeys. And we're not making your typical traced hand turkey. We are going to learn how to make adorable, cute cartoon turkeys. These turkeys will definitely be too cute to eat. So all you'll need for this project is paper, pencil, a permanent marker if you have one, and any sort of crayon, markers, colored pencils, anything to color with. So, let's get started. Hello everyone. So to begin, we are going to start by drawing a circle towards the middle of our paper to be the head of the turkey. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Alright guys, now we're going to draw his beak. So in the middle of that circle, I'm going to draw a little V shape that's on its side, just like this. And now we're going to draw a curved line to connect the two sides of the beak. So now we're going to draw his mouth, so I'm just going to draw a little line inside the V shape. Alright, so now we're going to draw the turkey's eyes. So on one side I'm going to draw a circle, and then on the other side I'm going to draw a circle, just like this. And I'm also going to draw a tiny circle inside of that will act as a highlight to make his eyes look shiny. Alright, now we're going to draw that red thing that hangs down from a turkey's beak. It's called a snood, which is a pretty funny word, huh? So we're just going to draw a teardrop shape right on the side of his mouth, right there, on his beak, just like that. Now we'll give our turkey some cute little eyebrows. Alright guys, so we're going to draw another circle to be the turkey's body. We're actually going to be using overlapping, so it appears that his body is behind his head. So I'm going to start from one spot of that first circle, draw another circle shape, and then connect it back to the other side, like that. Now I'm just going to draw a little U shape to be the turkey's neck. Now let's draw his wing. So I'm going to draw a curved line that starts from his head and goes to the back of his body. So now I'm going to draw some bumpy lines on his wings to look like feathers. Just like that. Alright, so now let's draw some more of his feathers. So I'm just going to draw some straight lines down on the side of his wing, just like this. So now we're going to draw his little toes. So we're going to draw a W, a curved W. So there's one for one foot, and then we'll do the same thing for the other. Alright, so now we need to draw the turkey's big tail. So on one side of his body, I'm going to draw a straight line, just like that. And then on the other side of his body, I'm going to draw another straight line. But I'm going to make this one longer than the other one. Just like that. So you can see one side shorter, and then the other side is longer. Alright, so we're going to draw an arch like a rainbow that's going to go behind his head. So on one end, the shorter side, we're going to draw a little line up to his head like that. It's slightly curved. Now we're going to start at the top of his head and draw an arch line all the way down to the other end. Just like that. Alright, so now we're going to add feathers to his tail. So I'm going to start by drawing a line, just like this. And then we're going to draw some more lines to divide it up. It's kind of like dividing up a pizza or a pie. Just going to keep adding some more. And I think I'll do one more. There we go. So now let's add some more little decoration to his feathers. So I'm going to draw some little kind of bumpy lines on his little feathers. So one line like that. Do another over top to make like a little stripe. I'm going to continue to do this on each of his feathers. So I'll do it one more time. Draw one curved line and another over top. Alright, so now it's time to trace over our pencil with a black permanent marker or any black marker or crayon colored pencil that you have. But I'm going to use a Sharpie. So I'm just going to trace over all of my pencil lines. But first what I'm going to do is color in his eyes. But I'm leaving that small little circle inside of it free of the Sharpie, because that'll make his eyes look like they are highlighted. So I'm really going to take my time when tracing with my permanent marker. And of course, if you're tracing and there's any pencil showing through, you can always erase. After I finished tracing, I decided that I wanted to color in the little stripes on his feathers with the black marker as well, but you don't have to. I just wanted to, and I thought it would look good. So now it's time to color our turkeys. So for this, we're going to use 3 different colors: an orange, a brown, and a red. So we're going to use the orange first to color in the turkey's beak and his little toes. So now using the red, I'm going to color in the little turkey's snood, that thing that hangs down from his beak, and his neck. Now to color in the rest of my turkey, I'm going to use the brown. And I thought it would be cute to add a little message from our turkey. He's saying gobble, gobble, gobble. And voila, you have a cute little cartoon turkey. I hope that you guys have fun and be creative, and I cannot wait to see your amazing artworks. Bye, everyone.